Hey guys, this is Seth at Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. This machine starts up and it runs and operates well. Got really good tires on the rear here on this machine. The deck paint has been touched up. This machine is equipped with a mulch kit. Brand new seat. The deck is in good operating condition. The spindles are tight and it operates well. This tire is a little bit lower than the other side. It's about probably 50%. You've got a Kohler Command SP27 horsepower engine. This engine was just replaced. This is your console with your key switch, blade engagement, your throttle, your choke, and the hour meter. It's reading 2,950 hours. Hydro pumps and the hydraulics are all in excellent shape, and they were just replaced as well. It's a good running and operating machine. If you have any questions, feel free to message us. Thank you. Hey guys, thanks for viewing our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. We can ship these machines pretty much anywhere, so if you want a shipping rate, feel free to contact us. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.